Moomoo is a trading platform that has really made a name for itself by offering a simple, user-friendly experience for anyone looking to dive into stock and options trading. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, it provides all the tools you need to make informed decisions without the usual fees that other platforms hit you with. One of the most compelling features of Moomoo is its $0 commission on stocks, ETFs, and options. You won't pay any platform or contract fees for equity options, and even index options are as low as 50 cents per contract. For a lot of traders, this is a major game changer since it allows you to maximize your returns without worrying about cutting into your profits with fees. What makes Moomoo stand out even more is its advanced trading tools. For those looking to take their trading to the next level, Moomoo offers over 60 technical indicators and more than 38 drawing tools for chart analysis. This can really help you dig deeper into market trends and make smarter trading decisions. It's not just about the charts, though. Moomoo also provides access to live financial news, real-time data, and a community of traders that's always there to share insights. The platform even has features like Level 2 data, which can help you understand bid and ask prices in more detail, giving you an edge in your trades. Plus, there's a solid educational side with free courses and paper trading, so you can practice without any risk before jumping into real trades. For options traders, Moomoo is especially attractive. With options trading, you can enhance your profit potential while keeping upfront costs lower. Moomoo supports a wide range of strategies, including 0-day to expiration options and earnings report analysis. This flexibility makes it ideal for both hedging risks and speculating on market movements. It's perfect for those who want to dive into the world of options with an easy-to-use interface and with no commissions or contract fees on equity options. It's a very cost-effective way to get started. One of the biggest draws for Moomoo is its cash sweep program, where your uninvested cash is swept into a bank account to earn up to 4.1% APY. This is a great feature for those who want to make their idle cash work for them, and it's nice to know that your funds are insured by the FDIC up to $1 million. The program is totally flexible, meaning you can invest or withdraw your funds at any time. However, the platform isn't entirely without its drawbacks. The margin rates, while competitive at 6.8%, could still be a bit high for some traders, especially if you plan to trade on margin frequently. Overall, Moomoo is an excellent platform for anyone serious about trading, whether you're into stocks, ETFs, or options. Its low fees, advanced tools, and powerful educational resources make it a solid choice, particularly if you're looking to trade without paying hefty commissions. However, if you're someone who plans on frequently trading on margin, the interest rates might be something to keep in mind. All in all, though, Moomoo offers a comprehensive trading experience that's both accessible and powerful. Catering to a wide range of traders,